Straight ahead on News 4 Tucson at 10. Arizonans can now receive compensation if they get infected by COVID. We have the details and more on the decision made today by the Arizona State Court of Appeals. Plus, a woman accused of stealing $500,000 from homeowners learns her fate in court. Now her victims sound off on her sentencing. And later, the Friday football fever rolling through the Old Pueblo tonight. We've got all your highlights. News 4 Tucson on this Friday at 10 starts right now.
Celebrating 70 years. KVOA. This is News 4 Tucson. Live Attack.
And good evening, everybody. Thank you for being with us tonight. I'm Eric Fink. Sean and Monica have the night off. A significant victory for Arizona workers tonight. It comes after an Arizona Court of Appeals decision today. Arizonans can now apply for workers' compensation if they are infected with COVID on the job. In this case, a widow fought to get workers' comp following her husband's death from COVID. Tonight, News 4 Tucson's Gabrielle Parrish joining us live from the newsroom with more on how this all works. Gabrielle.
Eric, I've got the court documents right here in my hands, and they say if someone contracts COVID at work, they can file for workers' comp. And here's an important detail to know. If a worker dies due to the virus, their next of kin will receive money. We spoke with an attorney who was involved in this case. He explains how this all started.
She had filed a workers' compensation claim with the Industrial Commission of Arizona to obtain widows' benefits, and the employer's workers' comp insurance carrier had denied the claim.
That's when the widow decided to take legal action against the company.
This apparently is the first case that an insurance company lost and then decided to take it to the Court of Appeals. They're arguing that COVID should never be covered by workers' comp as a matter of law.
Keep in mind, there is a time frame workers must file their claim within a year.
Now that the Court of Appeals came out with a published opinion saying that COVID is compensable if you meet the statutory and case law requirements, yes, people could start looking backwards and thinking, oh, I should have filed the claim.
Again, we really want to emphasize this. The person filing for workers' comp must have contracted the disease at work. Otherwise, this doesn't apply. Reporting live from the newsroom, Gabrielle Parrish, News 4 Tucson.
All right, thank you, Gabrielle.